So my product is think of it as like a huge heated pool tarp that you would put out on your driveway either before or after it snowed, and you'd plug it in and it would melt the snow. So you wouldn't have to do anything. You'd have to get like the measurements for your driveway so we would fit the tarp perfectly for your driveway. But it melts the snow, and the best part is you can drive over it. So you could go, if it snowed, you could put it on and then drive, go to work, whatever. You come back and it's completely clear, and then it also melts the snow as it falls down. Okay, this adds value to my customer because it's really easy to use and it saves them a ton of time. So instead of having to spend an hour, 2 hours cleaning off your driveway, you can just go straight to work. Okay, the problem I would be solving is people having to spend 1 to 2 hours getting rid of the snow. I think this product or business would be literally perfect for anybody and everyone.